Good morning student, this is class 7, chapter 6 in geography, natural vegetation and wildlife. In this chapter we have read about the natural vegetation, type of the natural vegetation, forest, type of the forest. In type of forest we are studying tropical evergreen forest. Okay, this is also completed. Tropical evergreen forest are found in those areas where the rainfall is very maximum in quantity, which is especially found in the Indonesia, Malaysia, Africa, Sri Lanka, Western African regions. In India, it is found in the Kerala and Karnataka sides. Okay, and there's different type of the animals and plants are found. Hardwood plants are found here. Animals like elephant, leopards, gorillas are found. Python are the biggest. Anaconda are found in the Amazon forest. In this type of forest. Now, second, today we are going to read tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest, also known as the monsoon forest, it is also found in the huge major part of in our country. This is called the tropical seasonal forest. This is the another name. Tropical deciduous forest is known as the monsoon forest or tropical seasonal forest, as these regions experience seasonal change. Why the tropical deciduous forests are called monsoon forest or a seasonal forest? Because in this area, the area where such a type of forest are found, they are the change of the season. Summer, winter, rain are coming continuously one by one. That's why this type of the forest are found, and this quality of this type of forest are the leaf of that type of forest are fall down once in a year. This region receive rainfall between 50 to 200 centimeter. Okay, 50 to 200 centimeter rainfall per year are fall down on these area where these type of forest are found. These are found in large part of India. Okay, in our country, the huge area of our country is forest are found such a type. Northern Australia, Canada, Asia, Europe, Japan and Central America. So these are the region where this type of the monsoon forest are found. The experience in a long dry season followed by a very rainy season, these shed their leaves in the dry season to conserve water, so they give to look a barren forest. Okay, जिसको हम पतझड़ बोलते हैं. The experience long because of the dry seasons here in our country, lot of part of the India receive the minimum rainfall. 8 months there is a winter and summer season, only 4 months are the rainy season. That's why to conserve the water, the plants of these forests fall down their leaves, and one a time in a year they are looking a barren. Trees of a medium height and do not have very wide cover and gradually of some variety. Okay, but trees on this type of the forest are not in very height. They are medium in height and there are the different variety and they are wide cover. Okay, the branches are speared. Example are sal, teak, neem, sesame, which are extremely used for making the furniture, transport and construction material. These are the plant trees, those are found in these forest. Sal, teak, neem, sesame, and it is very useful for furniture and transport system. Tiger, lion, elephant, langur, monkey are commonly found in these. These animals are found in this forest. These forests are commercially exploitable. These forests are commercially exploitable means in commercially these forests, the woods of these forests is very important because these are used for the transport, construction material and furnitures. Third one, temperate evergreen forest. They are located in the eastern margin of the continent in the South China, Southeast USA and Southeast Asia. Temperate, you have the evergreen, tropical evergreen forest where the rainfall is very huge. And now second one, temperate evergreen forest. In this, it is located in USA, Southeast Asia and South China region. Animal species found here are sheep, bear and cattle. Okay. So the animal, sheep, bear and cattle, different type of cattle means animals like cow, buffaloes are found there. Quality characteristic, trees are evergreen in this forest. The forest yield hardwood. The trees, those are found in this forest, they have the hardwood stream. Timber obtained from these forests are valuable. Timber means sticks. Okay, woody particles of the plant, those are found in these forests are valuable, very precious. Next one, temperate deciduous forest. अब temperate deciduous forest, this forest mainly located in eastern part of USA, Western Europe, China, Chile and Japan areas. These are the areas where this type of forest are found. Climate of this forest area is hot summer and cold winter. Up in this area where the forest, this is the figure where this forest are found, in summer season very hot summer season are found and very cold winter are found. Both the seasons are just opposite. In the winter season temperature goes to 2, 3, 4 degrees centigrade, and in a summer season temperatures go to 40 to 45, 50 degrees centigrade. Trees species those are found in these areas are oak, ash, maple, birch, chestnut. Animal are found here, monals etc. Pheasants and monals. Quality of this forest shed their leaves in dry season during summer season. अब in dry season, in summer season, the leaf of that plants, that trees are fall down the whole the forest looking barren without a leaf. Okay. Next one, Mediterranean vegetation. Okay. Mediterranean type of forest are mostly found along the west and southwest margin of continent. The main area around in the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, of Africa and Asia. You know Mediterranean Sea. This is the largest sea in the world. Okay. Around the Mediterranean Sea, those continent came around the Mediterranean Sea. These areas found the Mediterranean vegetation. The Mediterranean Sea is around the Europe, Africa and Asia continent. So these areas are received the Mediterranean vegetation. So the other seas outside the Mediterranean Sea region, including California state in the USA, Southwest Africa, Southwest America, Central Chile and Southern Australia. So these are the places where the Mediterranean vegetation are found. Of the climatic condition is the Mediterranean region are hot and dry summer and mild rainy winter. Up in Mediterranean regions, this area received the very hot summer days. In summer season, the days are very hot, and the winter season are mild rainy winter season. In the winter season, the rains are falling down. The face that hot and dry condition in the summer season, trees have thick bark, long roots, steep and hard leaves. Due to the different type of condition, hot and dry condition, as well in summer season. In summer season, the condition is very hot and dry. That's why the leaf of that bark means outer cover of the stems are very thick. Long roots, the roots of the plants are very long. Steep and hard leaves are found there. The trees are widely spaced with the shrubs in between them. The trees are widely spaced. The trees are spaced. You have seen the figure. Spaced with the shrubs. Most of the forests have been cleared and have been replaced by the large-scale fruit orchard. Up in these olive trees, figure is given here. In Mediterranean forest, the fruits orchards are found in maximum quantity. The fruit like orange, fig, olive, grapes are widely cultivated in this region. The fruits plants are cultivated here. Examples are given. The main trees found in these regions are fig, olive, oaks, pine, beech, cedar and cypress. Mediterranean region in the world map are known as the orchard of the world in their fruit cultivation. Due to the heavy quantity of the fruit cultivation, the Mediterranean forests are called the orchard of the world. There is not much wildlife here. As you know, the fruits plants are grown maximum in quantity here. That's why the wildlife, wild animals are not found in so much variety and quantity. Some small animals like squirrel, wood rat, rabbit, leopard, foxes and snakes are found, and including birds are kites, falcon and hawks are found in Mediterranean forest. Okay. So for today's above, I'm going to give the homework. Complete that. Thank you.